So good afternoon to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about IDFC First Bank share. So today the stock has given a very good move and almost 10% up move was seen in the stock. So not only in this particular company, so many stocks have started showing the up move since the Nifty Bank as well as Nifty are in complete swing. So in earlier videos also we have discussed some very good stocks like L&T. We have discussed about Yes Bank. We have discussed about Prince Pipe. So each and every stock has given a very good move and the levels are very important. So that's why I tell, if you're watching any video, watch the video till the end because you may miss some important updates regarding the technicals, which is very important. So today we'll discuss about IDFC First Bank. So we'll discuss the technicals and also we'll do the volume analysis to find out the next possible levels. So if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So in my previous videos, when we have discussed about IDFC First Bank, almost 3 videos we have discussed on IDFC First Bank. So first video we have discussed about the annual general meeting, so that is the AGM, which was held so almost 1 month back. We have discussed the complete fundamentals of the company. So complete fundamentals of the company are covered, and also we have discussed the technicals. So the level where we have discussed was 24 rupees. We have discussed about this particular stock. So it has remained in a consolidation phase. I also discussed that, and also we discussed about the promoter who is the major we can say success behind this particular bank. So the company which used to trade in losses earlier, so that is also turning out to be profits. So that is also a major boost for the company. And also we'll see the update which has come almost 1 day back. So what is that? We'll discuss about that and then we'll move on to the technicals. So we also know that the IDFC First Bank has launched the debit card payment facility. So that is contactless debit card facility. So this is the particular facility this bank has started. Almost this particular update was launched on September 24th, and also it has completed all the test trials and it is successfully working. So let's see how this particular mechanism works, and it is the first bank to do this particular thing. So clearly you can see it has launched this particular facility of simply we need to just wave our particular smartphone near the terminal. So one terminal will be present where the payment will be taken. So once you start waving your mobile towards it, so automatically the amount will be cut from your bank. So simple mechanism and easy payment, and it is a safer way. So that is why they have started this particular thing, and it is the first such facility to be made which other banks have not done yet. So this is what an update was also present. So completely the management wise as well as the banking sector is little bit of improving, especially for IDFC First Bank. Only even the profits, if it continues regularly, then all timely we can see the stock will reach a good highs. For that, what we should do, patience is required. So whenever market shows correction, so what is our strategy? We should invest in small quantities. So many people are asking what is small quantity. So small quantity is nothing but if you're having almost 5k investment on each and every dip, you need to add almost 1k, depends upon your personal investment, how much you want to invest. If you are having 10k, then you can go for 2k. So like that you need to diversify, and a specific planning should be present, especially for a long term. So follow these strategies. So we have discussed some good quality stocks, so watch the video completely and also the technicals, and then only invest, and also do your personal analysis before you invest in heavy amounts. Okay, so when we see the volume analysis, so clearly on 24th September, we can see 23.7% deliverable quantity were seen. So generally in this particular stock, we don't see much deliverable quantity. So generally the traded quantity is huge, so that is what we have seen regularly, but nowadays we are seeing the deliverable quantity is also slightly increasing. So since it was in correction since the last few days, so many people took it as an opportunity, and so many people have added at dips because IPOs investments are also present. So rather than investing in those, so many people also shifted towards stocks because stocks would give a very huge returns in a short span of time because heavy correction was seen. So currently 23% deliverable quantity is seen, and we can see percentage wise increase is present in the deliverable quantity. So traded quantity is present, so nothing much to panic about it. Always invest whenever the stock is falling. For long term, it's a very good stock, since the promoter holding as well as the promoter focus on the banking sector as well as the management is a key player in this company. Okay, so remember these things before you do any sort of investment. So if we see what the indicators are suggesting, so clearly you can see RSI as well as money flow index. So which region they are present? So 30 to 37. So what is that? Oversold region. So 30 below is called oversold and 70 above is called overbought. So what happens whenever any stock approaches oversold region? Reversal happens, and whenever it approaches the overbought region, pullback happens. Okay, so remember these things. So clearly indicator wise, technical wise, we are seeing the stock was in stable conditions in the previous sessions also. So that is why you need to focus on the technicals as well. So one other stock which I discussed is L&T. So same set of things happened in both of the companies. Okay, when we see the return, so in 1 week almost it has given lost 10%, 1 month we can see 10%, and 3 months 4.72, 6 months 51% was lost in 1 year, and in 3 years we can see negative returns only were reported by the company. So not much positive returns were given yet, but completely you need to wait patiently, because this particular stock does not give much heavy movement. So whenever it gives any movement, then definitely a strong move will be seen in the stock. Okay, so now we'll switch over to the technicals and we'll find the next set of supports as well as resistances. So we're back onto the technical. So this is the technical chart. So this is the 1 day chart. So currently it's trading at 29.25. So if you draw the support clearly, you can see a support is present near the 27 rupees. So clearly it was respecting the levels. So you need to draw all these support and resistance lines by yourself. I discussed about this particular concept in my past videos. You can watch them so that you will have an idea exactly how to identify the support as well as resistance. So clearly this is the region where whenever the stock approaches, we are seeing a strong momentum. So it has been respecting the levels. So earlier also when we discussed near the 24 rupees level, I guess this is the region when we have discussed first about this particular stock, 24 rupees level, from where it has started showing the momentum. So clearly today it has given a good move. So currently it should give the breakout from this particular resistance. So that is 30 rupees level is very important. So if it gives movement from the 30 rupees level, so definitely we'll see in the further sessions further movement will be seen. Okay, so always don't invest in heavy amounts in any stock. How much confidence you have, also you need to invest in small portions. Okay, so what we can see in 1 week chart, so let's simplify a little bit. So 1 week chart, so clearly you can understand how the levels have been respected. So when we discussed here, so when it has given breakout from that, so clearly you can see how the movement was seen. It has gone almost to this particular level, so that is 35 rupees level was also seen, from where later again Nifty Bank itself, so the index itself was in some downtrend. So it's obvious that each and every stock also shows the correction, but we need to find the opportunity. So clearly you can see wick also has been formed in this particular region, that is 27. So price rejection is also present. So always when you're doing intraday trading or positional trading, try to observe the price action. So that is what decides the stock momentum. So next immediate, as we discussed, the resistance would be 30. After that next would be 34 rupees level. So these are the two resistances that you need to watch out for next possible levels, and support is as usual 27 rupees level. Okay, if you want to do any sort of investment on Monday also, if you see any correction, so watch out for the 27 rupees level, and if you have invested, then targets would be 30 plus. Okay, so these are all the levels that you need to focus, and also observe the market condition before you are investing in any stock. So if market is in little bit downtrend, wait patiently, put cash in hand, then only invest. Okay, so this is all about IDFC First Bank. So next videos will discuss about another good stock. So until then, take care, bye bye.